Hello again. In this segment, I will create a Microsoft Integration Services project, otherwise known as SSIS, for our web project that we are creating in the future. We now have a package. We will be retrieving data from a comma-separated text file, so we will need to add a file system task to our project. The file system task will have a source, overwrite, and destination property set to it. We will set our source, create a new connection from an existing file. We will get our file from master files, flat files, and we'll choose this file. We will need to tell the property to overwrite the file on every time the system is run. We will now need to set a destination for our copied file. We're going to create a new file every time the process is run. We'll put it into output files. Output files, yes. We'll call it webproject.txt. Say OK. We'll need to run our project in order to place that file there for the first time. Green will indicate that the project has run successfully. As you can see, the project has run successfully. We are now going to export the data from that flat file source to an SQL database that we created in the former segment. So we will need to create a data flow task. We don't want to start the data flow task until the file system task has completed successfully. We'll set it upon completion. Now we will need to set a source flat file and a destination SQL database. Choose a flat file source, set its properties, a new connection, we'll call it flat file source. Choose the file that we put into our output files folder called webproject.txt. It's going to be a comma separated file. We'll look at our columns. Last row has missing data, which is OK. Say OK. Now we need to set an OLADB SQL database connection. Create a link. Set its source. Create a new connection to my server called srv-visual. Use SQL Server Authentication, SA. Choose a database. The database that we created in the former segment. Let's create a new table. We'll call it TBLSSIS underscore import. Create the table. Choose our mappings. As you can see, the fields are all mapped out for us. We should now be able to run this project, and green will indicate also success. As you can see, 94 rows have been copied to the SQL database. We will verify this in a second by opening up SQL and checking the data table.